Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the healthiest parts of the chicken. You think you know chicken, yeah? Think you can just pick any old piece and call it a day? We're about to find out. If you're looking to make healthier choices with your chicken meals, then listen up, you donkey. Stay tuned, this is important. Alright, you want lean protein? Look no further. Chicken breast is your new best friend. It's the go-to choice for anyone serious about their health and fitness. This cut is the king of the kitchen when it comes to healthy eating. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, chicken breast is incredibly easy to work with. A measly 3-ounce serving, that's the size of your palm, packs a whopping 26 to 30 grams of protein. That's right, just a small piece can give you a significant protein boost. That's more than most of you eat in a day, you lazy sods. Imagine replacing that greasy burger with a nutritious chicken breast. And the best part? It's got barely any fat, about 4 to 6 grams. So you get all the protein without the unnecessary fat. We're talking high protein, low fat. It's the perfect combination for anyone looking to build muscle or lose weight. This is the fuel for champions, not some greasy takeaway rubbish. Chicken breast is versatile. You can prepare it in so many ways that you'll never get bored. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, even shred it for salads. The possibilities are endless. You can marinate it with your favorite spices, or keep it simple with just salt and pepper. Don't overcook it though, or it'll be drier than your sense of humor. The key is to cook it just right, so it remains juicy and flavorful. To achieve the perfect chicken breast, cook it on medium heat and use a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This way, you'll avoid the dreaded dry chicken. Chicken breast can be the star of any meal. From a simple grilled chicken salad to a gourmet stuffed chicken breast, the options are limitless. It's also a family favorite. Kids love it, and it's easy to incorporate into any meal plan. Plus, it's budget-friendly, making it a staple in many households. When shopping for chicken breast, look for ones that are plump and have a pinkish color. Avoid any that look slimy or have an off smell. Before cooking, make sure to wash and trim any excess fat. This ensures you're getting the leanest cut possible. Experiment with different seasonings and marinades. From lemon and herbs to spicy barbecue, there's a flavor profile for everyone. Chicken breast is also perfect for meal prepping. Cook a batch at the beginning of the week, and you'll have a healthy protein source ready to go for days. So next time you're thinking about what to eat, remember the MVP of lean protein. Chicken breast is not just a food, it's a lifestyle choice. Embrace it and your body will thank you. Don't let the size fool you. Chicken tenderloins are another lean, mean protein machine. They're like the little brother of chicken breast, packed with flavor and ready to rumble. A 3-ounce serving, about the size of a deck of cards, will give you a solid 23 to 25 grams of protein. That's enough to build some muscle, you scrawny lot. And the fat content, don't even sweat it. We're talking a measly 4 to 6 grams. These little guys cook up quick, which is perfect for those of you who can't even boil water without burning down the house. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering how you can enjoy delicious, flavorful meals without all the added fat. It's a common dilemma, especially for those of us who love to eat but also want to stay healthy. Chicken thighs, those fatty things, they might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of healthy eating. But hold your horses. We're talking skinless here, people. Removing the skin makes a world of difference. Get rid of that greasy mess and you've got yourself a winner. The skin is where most of the fat resides, so once it's gone, you're left with a leaner, healthier piece of meat. Skinless chicken thighs are packed with flavor. They retain their juiciness and tenderness, making them a fantastic option for a variety of dishes. They're juicier than chicken breast. And let's be honest, sometimes you need a bit of flavor in your life. Chicken breast can be a bit dry and bland if not cooked properly, but thighs? They're almost foolproof. A 3-ounce serving will give you a respectable 19 to 22 grams of protein, which isn't bad at all. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it helps keep you feeling full longer. And the fat? Well, it's a bit higher than the breast or tenderloins, but we're talking 10 to 12 grams for a decent serving. This is still manageable within a balanced diet. Just remember, skinless is key here. By removing the skin, you significantly cut down on the fat content, making it a healthier choice. Otherwise, you might as well just dunk your face in a deep fryer. Fried foods are delicious, but come with a heavy calorie and fat load that can derail your healthy eating efforts. Instead, try grilling, baking, or even slow cooking your chicken thighs. These methods help retain the moisture and flavor without adding unnecessary fat. And don't forget the spices and herbs. A good marinade can elevate your chicken thighs to a whole new level. Think garlic, rosemary, thyme, or even a bit of lemon zest. Pair your chicken thighs with some healthy side dishes like roasted vegetables, a fresh salad, or some quinoa. This way, you get a balanced meal that's both nutritious and satisfying. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can have meals that are both delicious and good for you. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't shy away from those chicken thighs. Remember, flavor without the fat is entirely possible. Just go skinless and enjoy the best of both worlds. Happy cooking, and here's to flavorful, healthy meals. Alright, listen up, you wing-loving lunatics. We all know that chicken wings are the ultimate comfort food. Whether it's game night, a weekend barbecue, or just a casual dinner, wings have a way of making everything better. But here's the thing. I know you love those greasy, saucy wings, but they're a one-way ticket to Flavortown, and by Flavortown, I mean a heart attack. Yes, those deliciously crispy, deep-fried wings are loaded with unhealthy fats and calories that can wreak havoc on your heart and waistline, and let's be real, nobody wants to end up in the ER because they couldn't resist another plate of wings. But don't worry, I'm not here to ruin your fun. In fact, I've got some good news for you. But fear not, my friends. There's a way to enjoy wings without looking like you swallowed a butter sculpture. You can still indulge in your favorite treat without compromising your health. The secret lies in skinless chicken wings. Yes, you heard that right. Skinless chicken wings are the answer. They offer all the flavor and satisfaction of traditional wings, but with a fraction of the fat and calories. Now, I know what you're thinking. Skinless wings? What's the point? Aren't the crispy skin and juicy fat the best parts? Well, let me tell you, there's more to wings than just the skin. Think about it. The meat itself is where all the protein is, and that's what you really need. Plus, you can still get that great chicken flavor without all the guilt. It's a win-win situation, trust me on this one. Once you try skinless wings, you'll wonder why you ever bothered with the greasy, fatty version. And the best part? You can still enjoy them in a variety of ways. You can bake them, grill them, or even air fry them for a crispy texture without the added fat. And don't worry, you can still add your favorite sauces and seasonings to make them taste amazing. A 3-ounce serving of these beauties will give you a solid 18 to 20 grams of protein. And the fat? We're looking at about 10 to 12 grams, which is manageable. That's a lot better than the deep-fried version, which can have double or even triple the fat content. And let's not forget about the calories. Traditional wings can pack a whopping 500 calories per serving, while skinless wings come in at a much more reasonable 250 calories. That's a significant difference, especially if you're trying to watch your weight. So, next time you're craving wings, remember that you have options. You don't have to sacrifice your health for the sake of flavor. With a few simple tweaks, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying wings without the guilt. Just remember, ditch the deep fryer and opt for baking or grilling. These methods not only reduce the fat content but also bring out the natural flavors of the chicken. And for an extra crispy texture, try using an air fryer. And for God's sake, go easy on the sauce. A little goes a long way. Instead of drowning your wings in sugary, high-calorie sauces, try using a light brush of your favorite sauce or even a dry rub. This way, you get all the flavor without the extra calories. So there you have it, folks. You can still enjoy your beloved chicken wings without compromising your health. It's all about making smarter choices and finding healthier alternatives. Now go out there and enjoy your wings, guilt-free. There you have it, the healthiest parts of the chicken revealed. Now you can stop ordering those greasy takeaways and start cooking like you actually give a damn about your health. Remember, choosing the right parts of the chicken and cooking them in a healthy way can make a big difference in your diet. You don't need to drown everything in butter and oil to make it taste good. A little bit of herbs and spices goes a long way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and delicious recipes. And for God's sake, stop burning your food. Thanks for watching.